Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but feel lost, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down how to write a powerful business plan step by step. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First up, we have the executive summary. This is your chance to give a quick overview of your business idea, your goals and mission. Think of it as your business elevator pitch. Keep it short and exciting. Next, let's talk about your business description. Describe what you're offering and the problem you're solving. What makes you stand out in the market? Also, share your business model and who your ideal customers are. Now, it's time for market analysis. Research is key. Understand your industry and your competitors. Who are they and what can you do better? Define your target audience, age, interests, and location. Knowing your market helps you make smarter decisions. Next, let's write your marketing and sales strategy. How will you reach your customers? Will it be through social media, ads, or influencer marketing? Set your pricing strategy too. Affordable, premium, or somewhere in between. Explain how you'll build trust and turn customers into loyal fans. Every great business needs a great team. List your team members and their roles, or your key skills if you're solo. Investors love to see strong leadership and teamwork. Now, let's talk money. Your financial plan. Include startup costs, monthly expenses, and revenue forecasts. Show when your business will start making a profit. That's crucial. You can use Excel or online templates to simplify this part. Finally, share your future goals and vision. Where do you see your business in 1, 3, or even 5 years? Big dreams are great, but make sure they're realistic and measurable. And that's it, a complete guide to writing your business plan. Remember, a strong business plan turns your dream into action. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and comment below what business you want to start.